back stitches, we're going to come up from the back. I'm going to start with one of these antennas here. So I'm going to come up from the back, and basically a back stitch is you're going to just go a little ways and then come up a little farther and then go back down where you came up, go a little bit farther, go down. If you're on a curve, make sure you do smaller stitches so that you can actually see the curve and it doesn't move straight on you. You want it to be curved with your picture. So see how I'm doing about half of it and then coming up. Okay, and then I'm just going to end it right in here because I'm at the end of my little antenna. And then back up a little bit and then go down right where we came up on that one and go a little bit further. Go down and a little bit further out. Down and then a little bit further out. And then one last stitch down to finish that off.